So we're on the, what's this called? Tender. Heading back to the ship. Ended our day with a crepe. And now we're going to go on a little harbor cruise and see the area around. How do you feel?
I feel great. How do you feel?
I feel crepe-tastic.
How does the camera feel? The SD1100 IS.
It likes your face. And we're gonna zoom in on Jesse's neck right here. The camera likes you. The camera wants your number.
Many cameras want my number.
The camera wants to know if you're doing anything later. What?
Hi. Am I still being filmed?
Yes, you are.
Oh no.
So how did it feel to bet in Monte Carlo?
How did it feel?
To play the games, yeah, to play the slots.
Oh, cool.
Cool, yeah. Feel like Bond, James Bond.
I felt like I wish I had like a really nice suit on.
Yeah.
And I was playing, but not just that, I was playing like the craps tables or something like that.
Well, I think for those you have to have like a $5 million bet or something.
Yeah. Playing the high minimum table.
You have to have like 3 generations of good credit in your family.
It's all about the high minimums.
Oh man. So here's the area around Villefranche. It's very Frenchy. Putting on my sunglasses as I'm holding the camera.
No taxes.
Well, except for the fact that they do have taxes. That's what they said.
Well, that's what the...
And there's our ship over there. Hi, ship. We're coming to see you. How's it going over there?
All you see is this little white head. She's loving it. Kids are putting all around.
Oh, and there's some other boats here. There's a celebrity cruise who thinks they're better than us. And here we go.
That's funny. I could move anyway. You can't move right there.
So altogether, it was a very busy but very nice day.
Oui.
Oui?
Oui.
You agree with me, Monsieur Metti?
But of course.
But of course. So, bonsoir everybody.
Adieu.
We'll be home soon, but unfortunately.
We still got a nice fun plane ride.
Yeah, great.
We got a long time to go before this trip is over.
I know.
That plane ride's
But that's not fun. Woo, we're rocking.
No, but at least we'll have some TV to watch.
Oh man, look at that. The countryside. Everything's just all nestled in the hills. It's very nice. Very nice. Molto bene. We would have liked to have spent more time in Villefranche, but unfortunately this was not one of our tour stops. So come with me. Oh, every time. Every time with you. You know, Jesse, you're so full of music.
That's a compliment.
You thought I was going to say something else, right? Okay.
I thought you might say merde.
You're so full of songs.
It's merde.
Songs.
No, it's chanson. It's not songs.
Don't eat the camera. trying to violate my camera and I'm scared. Stop it, Jesse. Bad boy. Bad boy. Hi. Aw.
Camera load.
Well, they want to get a room later. If we come back into the room and there's a do not disturb sign on the door, we'll know why. Their cameras are producing little megapixels together. Look at that view. Doody doody doo. So we will be home soon on the ship, and we will get fancy for tonight, and we will eat, and we will go into a coma like every night. It's gonna be great times. Right, Jesse?
What's that?
What's it? What's it?
Huh?
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 What?
Huh?
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 What?
Huh?
What?
Huh? 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 That's right.